guys, die casting is a common production process in our daily life. Do you know what the aluminum die casting process is? Let Wellste help you understand it. Step 1. Mold design. Mold design is carried out according to the specific shape and size of the casting. Step 2. Smelting aluminum. Aluminum is melted into liquid state and other elements required are added to obtain the required composition and properties. Step 3. Pouring and solidification. The liquid aluminum alloy is poured into the mold, then the casting is formed through the cooling and the solidification processes. Step 4. Demolding and cleaning. Take the solidified casting out of the mold and clean the surface. Step 5. Surface treatment. Meet the appearance and the surface quality requirements made such as trimming, finishing, painting or spraying process. Step 6. Inspection. Conduct quality inspection and performance testing on aluminum alloy die castings. Step 7. Packaging. After ensuring the casting quality meets the requirements, packaging to protect it. To sum up, this is the process of aluminum die casting. Wellste started die casting business more than 10 years. For more details, contact Wellste now.